Today I'm going to take you to a Radisson beach property in Goa that hardly anybody knows about and is truly a hidden gem. This is a beachside property, so the vibe of the lobby area is very chill, very Goa, very casual. Now as you start walking more inside the property, इतना अच्छा लगता है walk करके. It is full of greenery, it is just so soothing and relaxing. Now as you walk further now, left side में आपका restaurant है and right side में is the pool. Restaurant I'm going to show you later. The pool side again is surrounded by so much greenery. The area is just so peaceful. वहाँ पे side पे beds भी हैं for you to relax. Now as I said, I'm going to show you the restaurant later. Now pool के side पे ही ना stairs है और restaurant के सामने basically. Now as you climb the stairs, जो pool का view है, it's just so amazing. And once you go forward, वहाँ पे सामने beach है. ना बेसिकली जब आप ऊपर आ जाते हो, एज आई सेड बीच लिटरली सामने है आपके एंड देयर सच अ नाइस एंड पीसफुल रेस्टोरेंट जो सामने बनाया हुआ है. इट्स बेसिकली लाइक अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड बार एंड यू कैन जस्ट सिट ओवर देयर, रिलैक्स, एंजॉय द लवली व्यू. मैं तो व्हेन आई वाज सिटिंग ओवर हियर, आई सैट फॉर स्ट्रेट 2 to 3 hours. आई एंजॉयड अ लवली मील यहाँ पे. नाउ आई एम गोना गिव यू अ टूर ऑफ ऑल द रूम कैटेगरीज एट दिस प्रॉपर्टी. हम सबसे पहले स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं प्रीमियम सी व्यू रूम से, विच इज़ द सेकेंड हाइस्ट कैटेगरी. इट्स अ डिसेंटली स्पेशियस रूम एंड यहाँ पे द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ द बैल्कनी एरिया, जहाँ पे लिटरली सामने बीच है, सामने सी है, बाहर सीटिंग एरिया इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्पेशियस एंड द हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस रूम इज़ डेफिनेटली द व्यू एंड द सिटिंग एरिया. Now I'm taking you towards the biggest room at this property, which is basically a premium suite with a private pool. This was definitely my favorite. Now as you enter this room, starting में there's basically a drawing room area and बिल्कुल सामने there's the dining area. The dining area has lovely views from both the sides. Now as you go towards the bedroom also has such a lovely view. Bedroom के बाहर भी there's a seating area and you can just see the beach बिल्कुल सामने from the bedroom. Now the best part is as soon as you get out, there's this private pool along with the sitting area and bilkul samne there's the beach. So this is literally the best part of this property. I have never seen a Radisson property have private pool and itna acha view of the beach. And this does not end. As you walk further, you can literally feel that you're on the beach and right side पे जो bedroom वाला area उसका भी seating area. So you have such a big area to yourself to chill, relax and enjoy with your family.
Ground floor you won't get proper view because of the palm trees around. Top rooms you will get view, partial view of this is.
Okay.
But those are all occupied.
Now this is the deluxe room sea view, which is the second category. This is the banquet area of the property where you can do small functions, office gatherings, or even cocktail functions. And finally, this is the superior room, which is the base category room of this property. This is the Sunset Cove restaurant, which is the main restaurant of the property. यहाँ पे basically breakfast होता है, buffet display होता है.